Hello stalkers, welcome back. Very interesting day in Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange. Buruj got listed and it performed very well. We saw some crazy volumes, 3.00 is today's closing, definitely more upside is coming. Also at the same time we saw breakouts in Fertiglobe, Multiply, M Steel, Meth Ports and many other stocks that I have been recommending lately. I repeat again, market is bullish and it's time to make money. Watch this video till the end, definitely you will learn something. It will help you to make your trading plan for coming week. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. Let's start with the market index. This is the daily chart of ADX index. We know by now that 10,000 is a resistance zone. Market tried to cross so many times but it got rejected. This week it crossed 10,000. In fact, we saw a closing about 10,000 but very next day we saw heavy selling in the market. It could not sustain the gains. For the last 2 days, market is making dodgy candles. It means indecisiveness in the market, meaning it can either go up from here or it can come down to retest 9,700 as well. For now, let's analyze this swing. To analyze this swing, let me use my Fibonacci tool. This is the swing low and this is the swing high. So I take this as my point A. I place my tool and stretch it till point B. We can see market have retraced from the top till here. This is 38.20%, that is golden ratio of Fibonacci. The next golden ratio is 50% and then 61.80. In other words, market can come down to retest this level, that is 9,736, or it can even come down till 9,661. I think correction is now done and market should resume its uptrend to make higher highs and higher lows. But at the same time, yes, there are chances it can come down to retest these golden ratios. But any dip from here would be buying opportunity. Now let me remove the drawings and go up to weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the daily chart. We can see a strong rally to the upside. As of now, we can see a bullish pennant pattern. This is the support zone as of now, right here. And then if I draw another line from the top, we can see market is trading within this range. This becomes the support and this area becomes the resistance. I'm expecting a breakout to the upside very soon and it should cross 10,200. And in case if market wants to come down, all these levels will act as a support, that is 9,600, 9,400, 9,200. All these are support zones. Let's hope that market breaks to the upside and we see a new high in ADX. This was index. Let's check out some stocks. Fertiglobe. If you are watching my analysis regularly, you know I have been recommending this stock. In case if you have missed my previous analysis, I will place the iCard right at the top. Click the link and watch that video first so that you can understand how the price action works. For now, let me give you a quick recap. We know this is the resistance zone. Market has been respecting this trend line again and again. This becomes our resistance zone. Right at this level, I had recommended you to stalk this one very closely. The moment it breaks this trend line and crosses this high, this is a good indication to buy. Now let me move down to 1 hour chart to explain you how the price action works in lower time frame. Let me adjust the chart. And this was the resistance zone, correct? So let me delete this one and highlight with the zone right here. I will mark this as my resistance zone. Right here, previously market could not cross this resistance. It came down. Once resistance is broken, it will act as a support. We can clearly see market broke the resistance with this solid green candle. Also, we can see a wick at the top of very next candle indicating a retest of this area and then closing above the previous candle's high. This is a very good zone to buy. I think very soon Fertiglobe will cross 6.00. On Monday when the market opens, by any chance if price comes in this zone, it will be a buy chance for those who have missed the entry. Stop losses should be below 5.20 and now you can slowly and steadily target 5.80. Multiply. It's also a very bullish stock now. We saw a breakout of this symmetrical triangle pattern. Pay attention to the moving averages. Now price is above 20-day, 50-day and 100-day moving average, which is considered bullish. Guys, if you are serious and want to earn money from stock market, join my stock trading course where I teach each and every elements of technical analysis in detail so that you have complete knowledge and trade along with big boys. You should know when to buy and exit the trade so that you can increase your capital and gains. If you are interested to join, link is in the description box below or send me a message on my WhatsApp. So this is a breakout of this symmetrical triangle pattern, and what should be the target? Usually the target of this symmetrical triangle pattern is the height of this candle. We have to place the same target to the upside once it breaks out. Right here, as you can see, next target is now 2.15. At the same time, do not expect market to just jump till 2.15. It will slowly make higher highs and higher lows and hit the resistance. In between, you can take your targets. This should be your first target, that is 2.00. Your second target should be 2.05, and then you should target 2.15. So definitely multiply is very bullish. You should keep it in your watch list to take a entry. Abu Dhabi Ports, another bullish stock. It hit 5.80. From here, it started to retrace. Check out the moving averages, how they are acting as dynamic support and pushing the price upwards. From here, we can see it have formed a symmetrical triangle pattern that is bullish, and today was the breakout. It was just hanging around the resistance. It spent at least 3 days here, as you can see, and then finally it made a breakout. This price action is very good, as the probabilities are now high that buyers and sellers have spent 3 days here, and finally a breakout to the upside is seen. Well, so where is your next target? You should target 5.20 as your first target and then 5.60 as your final target. This stock is also very bullish. Definitely you can make some good money here. Arcan or Amsteel. Guys, just a small request before I proceed further. If you are learning from my videos, please support the channel, hit like and share it with your friends. I have been mentioning about this stock right from this level. 20-day and 50-day moving averages were acting as a resistance. Once it closed above these moving averages, it was good for a buy. Next hurdle or minor hurdle as of now is at 100-day moving average. Most likely it will cross this resistance zone and move up. As of now, it's stuck within this triangle pattern. Strong support, as we know, is at 1.18. Market have tested this level once, twice and thrice. Also, we can see it have spent around 4 days just breaking the resistance of this 50 and 20-day moving average. I'm still holding this stock. My next target is 1.35 and then I will target 1.45 respectively. There are good chances in Monday's session, if it opens flat, it will quickly start to move up. But in case if it gaps down, as you can see today it gapped down and it was very slow. Similarly, if in Monday's session if it gaps down, it will again be a slow day, but it will gain momentum if it opens with a gap up, a small gap up, or at least flat opening. When we see a flat opening or a gap up, it means sentiments of the market are still same for this stock. In case if it opens with a gap down, it means there is some problem. Buyers are not interested to buy at the higher prices. So always wait for the opening. We don't want to be the first one buying a stock. Let the big boys enter the trade and we will follow them. So overall, this stock is also very bullish and good for buy. Meth Hack. This is another stock that made a breakout today. We can see so many moving averages were acting as a resistance. Yes, this was resistance, say around 7.90. Market made a breakout today, but this is a risky stock. I would only recommend a quick entry and quick exit as it's yellow flagged. Your next target should be 9.00. In case it comes down for a retest from here, this would be a buying opportunity as this will act as a support now, but wait for the opening. Since this is a yellow flagged stock, it can open with a big gap down, which we don't want to see, and we will not buy in this scenario. We will only buy if it opens flat or with a little gap up. This will indicate buyers are still interested to buy this stock and push it to upside. So these were the few stocks that are looking very juicy, they are bullish and can make loads of money for us. Do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.